Despite advances in medicine, patients still have unmet medical needs. The speed and pace to which we conduct clinical research really has a direct impact on how quickly we can get new medicines to patients.
The purpose of the Act for Patients program is to make life easier for patients, investigators, and the sponsor throughout the course of the trials.
We aim to reduce the development of our drugs by 1 to 2 years. We will also allow investigators to make better decisions. As a result, they will be able to adjust treatments from weeks to days.
Thanks to the technological tools, we can collect and analyze big data in order to define a new algorithm for treating patients and share among distant centers in the field of rare diseases.
We are able to iterate and innovate quickly by combining our expertise in tech, data, AI with our partners, which allows us to have a comprehensive vision and a powerful and innovative mindset.
Our collaboration with Capgemini is working well. They have the full range of skills that are needed for such a program, and as a result, our site investigators will be able to make decisions faster.
What drives me is how we can optimize, how we can make things more efficient, and really how we can bring medicines to patients faster.